Yo, XCN, look, they want to see us fall. That ain't happening, Captain. Whole squad holding strong. This ain't no time for lacking. Stacking up the bags while the whole market's bleeding. We the XCN army, and we leading. Hold on, the bear market won't last forever. No, the bear market won't last forever. XCN to the moon, we gon' get this bread together. XCN to the moon, we gon' get this bread together.
I'm not gonna lie, the current cryptocurrency bear market is extremely exhausting and draining, tiring to be precise. We are going to be talking about Onyxcoin price update in this video, and I think all I can say is I know a lot of you are going through hard time right now, and but the truth of the matter is hard time don't last forever, and also this bear market isn't going to last forever. It is going to definitely come to an end soon, which I believe Q3 2026 is going to be the final button. But before then, Onyxcoin is likely to make a massive move before that final button we are expecting come Q3 2026, and July, August, September, between July, August, September to be precise. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. We're going to be talking about the Onyxcoin price, BTC price briefly, others chart price, crypto fear and greed index, crypto bull market peak indicator as well, in order to get a clear picture of what we should be expecting. Like this video if you haven't already, smash the like button. And a lot of you got surprised, we are surprised about the title in the previous XCN video. Apologies. And yeah, so to be honest, we still have to continue waiting for our spot market limit order to get hit. Although we are expecting the US government to release classified information, classified document on alien. President Trump has already ordered the United States government to release classified files on aliens and UFOs. So who knows, the release might end up pumping, who knows, aliens might end up pumping our Onyx coin bag, our XCN coin bag. I would really be glad to see that happen. And yeah, so let's see. I'm not ruling out the fact that we might just get an outright, like XCN might just end up front running this my limit order around 0.0030. You never can tell. The whales watching this video, I have no idea of what they have in mind. They might end up front running that limit order, because if you notice, XCN hasn't really dipped aggressively. Not just XCN coin. The altcoins in general are currently outperforming BTC. BTC is dumping aggressively. Altcoins are holding up. That should ring a bell and also tell you something already. Considering the orders against the BTC pair already outperforming BTC, I think there's no point of panicking at the moment at all. Now, if you're paying attention, like I've said countless times in my video, I am expecting a slight bounce from here and then further correction to the downside. Now, the between 45 and 55k is the area I'm targeting to be the final bottom for this current bear market we are in. So the bottom is likely, a lot of people are anticipating for Q4 2025. I might be wrong though, but I think it is likely to happen before the date a lot of people are anticipating. Just like BTC hit smashed all-time high before the last halving, I believe it is still going to front run a lot of people's expectation. So in my own opinion, I think Q3 2026 is likely to be the bottom for the entire crypto market. Q3, I think, let me say, technically between July, August and September. Then the pump is likely to begin late Q4 2026 all the way to 2027, and massive explosion all the way to 2028. You get, that is what I expect. But for now, before we get to that 45k, I think we are going to rally aggressively. I brought this chart to you guys' attention November last year when it hasn't even fully formed, but I just noticed the pattern. 2022 bear market, when we lost the 50 exponential moving average, was when BTC price started tanking aggressively to the downside. So when the moment we lost this 50 exponential moving average on the weekly time frame, I just knew that history is about to repeat herself, and I quickly brought you guys attention to this chart. You can go and watch the video on my channel to bring yourself up to speed. I uploaded it November 2025, and I just knew that the market is likely to correct, and ever since we lost that zone, we consolidated, we tested the 50 exponential moving average as a resistance, and then continued our downtrend to the downside. And I think it's not over yet, and but we are likely to get a bounce around this liquidity pool, which is likely to trigger a relief rally on our altcoins as well. I think that bounce is likely to happen between late Q1 and early Q2 2026. The chart that is still keeping me motivated is the orders against the BTC pair on the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame, by the way. Like I've said countless times, we are likely to repeat the playbook of 2019-2020. When quantitative tightening came to an end August 1st, 2019, we rallied aggressively. Same thing is about to repeat herself. Quantitative tightening came to an end December 1st, 2025, and we have started printing, laying the steps for a bullish run to the upside. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is looking extremely discouraging. We are currently seated at 7, indicating extreme fear. So it's not over until it's over. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. Smash the like button of this video if you haven't already. If you are paying attention, the cryptocurrency bull market peak indicator is still indicating we should hold. That is to say, it is not time to sell yet, because you are probably not in profit. You get, so there's no point selling at this point, in my own opinion though. So it is still indicating hold 100% and not to sell.